Another planters to be delivered today in GTA area and Pearlton. This is our second batch delivery for a Christmas season 2024. All this big arrangement going to our customer for the Christmas planter, decor, outdoor. This is all big arrangement. Thank you guys for your support purchasing my arrangement, Christmas planters. Happy to serve you again on next year Christmas season. Merry Christmas. Thank you. Bye for now. One's very pretty. And this one is so cute. This one is so cute, so colorful. All this is very pretty. This one is very, very